After the iOS 14 update, Facebook has made some changes for the advertisers. In this video, we will discuss these changes and what you can do to keep your ads running. So the first change is regarding the attribution window. You can see that now your default attribution window is 7-day click or 1-day view. Before it was 28-day click or 1-day view. So what is going to happen is any conversion happening outside the 7-day window will not be attributed to your campaigns on Facebook now. The second thing is you need to verify your domain and you need to verify your conversion events. At max, you can use 8 conversion events now. So let's see how the domain is verified in the Business Manager. For that, go to your Business Manager and then Business Settings. Click on Brand Safety, then click on Domains. Click on Add. Enter your domain without HTTP or HTTPS. Add domain. There are 3 options to verify your domain. First is DNS verification, for which you need to go to your domain registrar, add a DNS record in your domain settings, and it will be verified. Second is HTML file upload. As you can see, it is saying upload an HTML file verification to your website. To do this, you need admin access to your website's root folder. So this is a little complex and I don't recommend doing it yourself. If you have a developer, he can do it easily. And third and the easiest option is meta tag verification. For this, you just need to copy this code and insert it into the header of your website. So let me show you how to do it through DNS verification. Copy this code, go to your domain registrar. In this case, I'm going to show you one of my domains, which is in namecheap.com. Click on Manage. Click on Advanced DNS. Click on Add a new record. Scroll down to find text record. In host, you need to enter @ in value. You will just paste the code and click OK. For verification through DNS records, it can take up to 72 hours because DNS records needs time to propagate. The second option is to verify your domain through HTML file upload. I don't recommend doing this, so we will move to the third part, meta tag verification. This is the easiest one. For this, you need to copy this code. Click on it and it will be copied to your clipboard. Go to your website. In this case, I'm going to show you how it is done on WordPress, but you can do the same on Shopify, ClickFunnels, Leadpages, anything. Here's my WordPress website. I have a plugin called HFCM, Header Footer Code Manager. I'll click on Add a new code. You can name it anything. I am naming it Facebook verification or Facebook domain verification. This code is going to be displayed site-wide. Location is header, shown all devices, status active. Just paste the code here. Save. Once it is saved, go to your business settings. Click on verify. It takes few seconds to verify your domain. Okay, now it is verified, but it is still showing this red icon. Just refresh your screen. Once your screen is refreshed, it will turn green. So now your domain is verified. The next step is to verify all of your conversion events. For that, go to your Ads Manager. Click on the search icon and click on Events Manager. You will land on this page, Events Manager. Now you can see all of your events are here, but you will get a new option, Aggregated Event Measurement. Click on Aggregated Event Measurement. Click on Configure Web Events. I have a lot of domains in this Business Manager, but you need to find the one which you have just added. So here it is. So I'll click on this domain, then click on Edit Events. Edit again. Okay, here are the 3 events which I have already verified. But if I can remove them and show you how it is done. Okay, select your pixel here. Choose the highest priority event, like which is the most important to you. So I'll click Purchase, then click another event. initiate checkout, and the third one is lead. These are all the conversion events which I am using on this website right now. If you are using more events, if you have an e-commerce website, you will see all the options here up to a max of 8 events. So you cannot use more than 8 events now. Once it is done, you will click submit and you are done. This is how your events are verified, and now you can use all these events for your conversion objective campaigns. Thank you.